Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our analysis. It's Friday, and you know it's not just a Friday. We've been waiting for this for quite a long NFP day, and we're not gonna waste time. We're not gonna waste time on this. So you can see that today it's not only NFP only. We also have another employment change from Canada, and also this employment change from the US, as we call it, NFP. So around 5 also, we also have a FOMC member who is going to speak around 5. Maybe he's going to speak some positive stuff. So let's go straight to that. What is my expectation on NFP? US actually. So I think we will see a number which is better than the forecast or better than the estimate. I'm expecting maybe 180 there or 170 something, because things are going to be bad. If you check all this economic news that we received for the rest of this month is still very early. Let's say last month, things were really bad. Just look what we had, a job opening last. It was like way too lower. ADP way too lower. At least employment claims and service PMI were a little bit better, you see. So, but with a very smaller percentage. So it shows that the dollar is not really doing well, and we will see that on the charts. So at the moment, we just need NFP to be positive. Whether you trade in Nasdaq or anything, or let me just do something for you just to understand. So this is what I'm going to actually do. I will say, you know what? If okay, change the color. So if NFP, NFP is positive, I will just say so. I'll just use the positive sign. If it's positive, I will say buy Nasdaq. I will say NES 100, S&P 500, euro. Not euro. I'm now making some mistakes. I will say buy this, let's say USD, JPY, and anything that is going with the dollar. So, but they will be surprised and say, Kenzo, why in Nasdaq and maybe S&P 500? Because mostly they will be going against US if maybe NFP is positive. No, this time we want the economy to perform way much better, or else it's going to be worse, because we want the jobs to go higher. We start to see that economy, it's slowly aggressively going down, and we're still far from the rates cuts. So we need something like very, 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 very quick. And positive NFP is going to also boost Nasdaq or these stocks. Or else, like if NFP, it's negative, né? Let's say if it's negative, it means we're going to sell Nasdaq. We're going to sell S&P, exactly what we have there. We're going to sell so much stuff, guys. We're going to sell USD JPY. We're going to sell USD CAD. We're going to sell so much, even the stock markets. You see why? Because at the moment it's crucial. We need the market to be positive. We can already see that it's already weaker. But what my expectation here is quite straightforward. I think the market at the moment, it might be trying to go lower just to reset so that we can have a proper buy. I think the market will reach this level before the news. Then once the news comes, maybe the market will go even higher, maybe reach this level. You see that? We are on a DXY now, there. I'm expecting that. So yeah, maybe I might be wrong, but I'm just expecting them to, I'm just expecting the positive news, guys. I think we've been receiving negative news left and right. And for us who actually wants to buy Nasdaqs because they are at the lowest areas, I'm seriously expecting some positive stuff so that we can easily buy. We can see that since we started to have that negative NFP last month, things never been the same. We can see that now inflation is aggressively going down, and it's fine, but we just need to see the rates cuts as quick as possible. You see, so dollar index shows us that at the moment it's a little bit weaker, so which means I'm expecting to see a nice recovery later on, but this is going to be the support that I will be looking at. So maybe we will see a nice push, even if it's not really that aggressive, but a nice push to the upside that will change the way we see things. I think that maybe might be a very good thing. So on GBP I think we also have quite similar structure. You can see that the market here, it's still on that bullish move, but what we want here is maybe the market might reach this level before 2:30. Then once they release the news, I think we will see maybe a nice reversal from there. Maybe we will touch this, go up, or maybe the market will keep going even lower. But at the moment, we are still on that bullish move, so which means I'm still actually thinking about buying. But where the market is, it's a little bit higher, so which means I will be waiting for the market to do what? To reach this level before going down. I'm expecting a positive dollar later on. It's been weak for quite some time. You can see this aggressive push to the upside. We never had a proper reversal, but this is not really that bad. But I think maybe we have to reach this resistance before we go down again. I hope this makes sense. So let's push to the next one. Even on gold, I think on gold, it's already obvious. I think we will actually do a simpler. I think we have to have a simpler entry here. I think we will. I'm expecting to see a sell. So I think that sell can actually work very nice. And it seems like the market is already setting itself ready, unless if things gonna change. If things change, boom, we will see the market breaking that resistance. But at the moment, I feel like the market might respect this, and we can actually have a proper sell. As gold, it's already on that nice uptrend. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one. Which is US30. US30 has been struggling also. Yesterday we saw an aggressive sell, but at the overall structure here, the overall structure here, we can easily see that the market is doing what? Is pushing to the upside, and this area is where we reach an aggressive, or let's say stronger resistance. The question is, are we going to see a break from this support and see the market melting like before? That is not going to be good. It might happen, but that is not going to be nice, you see. So at the moment, we can see that, yeah, the market is still playing around this support area. And if maybe things are going to be positive, this is going to be a very nice structure for us to jump on that buy. That will be a very proper structure for everyone to jump on that buy. But things, if they go other way around, if NFP is still going to be negative, it means we're going to see an aggressive meltdown like before. But at the moment, I think it's better for us to just relax. So yeah, now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? We can see that we are coming from this a nice downtrend structure. We've been talking about that for quite some time. After the breakout, it seems like the market is now also trying to do what? To go even lower. We see we had a very proper structure, but slowly it seems like now the market wants to continue going even lower. But I'm expecting to see maybe a nice reversal along the way. We can see that because the market has been struggling to go even lower. The market, for the whole week, by the way, the market has been playing around the same level. So the question is, will we see another meltdown? If that happens, because maybe the market wants to touch this level. We can see we have the lowest level, the 17,400 there. So that is going to be crazy because already we have some companies where like Nvidia, AMD, where they just lost like more than 200 billion. So I don't think maybe that will continue, but we'll just have to wait and see. But with this consolidation, I think I'll have a confidence that maybe this consolidation will keep up until 2:30. Maybe we will have a nice push upside. That's what I'm expecting. Plus, I have some trades around this level. See, I have some trades from, I think it's from last week, and it seems like this thing is now melting again. If we zoom that, it seems like the market wants to actually break out there. So you see, so but once the market breaks out here, obviously I will be out. The loss can just kill me, so it's too much. So, but when you check the structure, yes, it looks very nice. Like we might see a continuation of a sell, but from this area we might see a reversal. But with the fundamental side, I think we'll have an aggressive a reversal. Yeah, I might be wrong, but I think that it's actually on the table. I'm expecting to see a proper reversal, but at the moment we just need to relax and see. S&P 500 also quite the same as Nasdaq. We can see the market slowly is trying to go down. We're coming from this nice downtrend, aggressive one. I don't think we're gonna repeat this. So maybe from this area we will see a very nice push to the upside. That will be good because we are at the lowest level. You can just buy and forget. But yeah, sometimes it's good to wait for the news. Sometimes you can get before the news. It's up to you. But sometimes that can be way too risky. So this is Nvidia. So even Nvidia yesterday, it tried, actually the stock tried to reverse, but it was not really enough juice. So which means we're just waiting for NFP before we get that push, or maybe we're gonna see another sell off. But I'm expecting to see a nice bullish move later on, as I'm going to start trading also some stocks. I like stocks, guys, way much, like 100%. I like stocks. So now on US oil, US oil has been playing around for quite some time here. We had a continuation, we had a sell, but it seems like the market is playing around. But the overall structure here, we can see that it's a downtrend structure, actually a very nice downtrend structure. So I was expecting to see a continuation of that structure, something like that, going even lower. But it seems like the market is actually not ready. But we'll just have to wait and see. But I like what I see here. But at the end of the day, even though the market is playing games, I think the market will still go even lower. Things looks good at the moment. And yeah, for those who wants to be part of the team, just let me know. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.